Hi everyone, this is Nitish Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program which count number of removal to make a string balance. Okay, so for that I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. You can open the same or you can open online Java compiler. Okay, and you can practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved. Okay, and this is the way you practice with me. It is the way, okay, you can learn everything in one go only. Okay, and if you are doing the mistake, then just don't worry, and this is the actual way to learn something uh, from what you are doing. Okay, you need to focus on that mistake and try to do not repeat the same thing again. Okay, so now I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. You can open the same thing, or if you have not, then you can open online Java compiler. First I'm going to write file name, so I need to write here file name. What should be the file name is number of removal. Okay, to make uh, to to in what I am writing number of removal in string. Okay, dot Java. What I am doing is, first I am going to explain you. We are counting, we are counting the number of removal I need to perform to make balance balance string. And in string, what we are taking, a string, we are taking parenthesis. This is the bracket parenthesis. This is okay. Curly braces, big big bracket. Okay, like we are entering, if we are entering balance bracket, then it will put 0, it will return 0. Okay, if we are entering like this, it will also return, this is also balance bracket, then it will also return 0. Okay, and if we are writing this one, okay, so it will return 1. Our program will return, if we are entering this string, okay, then our program will return 1, because I need to remove this character of string only. Okay, okay, so for that I'm going to write the code. Okay, and we are taking one example also, like this one. Okay, like this. Okay, so how many number I need to remove? One only, starting. Okay, and like we are, if we are, okay, doing this one, then how many number I need to remove? This one is the balance. Okay, control Z. This one is the balance, control Z. See, inside this one is the balance. Okay, this one is one also balance, uh, and this one is remains. So I need to remove these three character from this string to make balance string. Okay, so for that I will write code first, then I will verbally explain it in while writing. Okay, and then I will write comment to so that you understand better way, and I will also execute, and I will uh, enter this string, and you will see the output. Okay, so we have to take in user input, so that we need to take here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, scanner done. And now I'm going to write psvm. This is the keyword to write uh, public static void main in Visual Studio Code. You can write public static void main, okay, in the online Java compiler. Okay, there is no any shortcut, okay, key to write there. Okay, and now I am going to uh, make object for the scanner class. So I need to write here new scanner system.in. So I need to write okay dot, okay, done. And then I am going to write a message so that user can understand what we have to enter. So enter, I am writing a message, enter to see user, enter a string to check number of, not check, it count, it should be count, to enter a string to count, string to count. Okay, done. Count number of removal I need to perform to make string balance. Remove this. Okay, so I am going to take that string. So I need to write here string is equals to string sc is equals to new, sorry, string str is equals to sc dot next line. I need to write, and this one. Okay, done. And now I am going to initialize a variable for count. Okay, first time initialize the opening when I the character is open. Okay, then I will increase the open count with 1. Okay, and if it is closing, then I will reduce the open -1. Okay, and I am going to initialize another variable removal is equals to 0 also. So it will count total uh, removal I need to perform. Okay, and now I'm going to use for loop for traversing each character of the string. So I need to write here for loop int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and curly braces. Here not should be n, it should be str dot length, because it is the length of a string. Okay, so that's why we need to write here str dot length. It is okay, done. Now I am going to take that char ch is equals to str dot char char at I. Okay, and I need to write here if char, if ch is equal to the starting bracket. Okay, then you need to increase open by 1. Okay, and if not, else if char is equal to op closing bracket, then you need to check first whether it's open bracket. If open is greater than equal to 0, okay, and then if it is like this, if it is open is greater than 0, then you need to reduce open minus minus, okay, because it the it counts. If if it is greater than 0, it means we have got match, okay, the closing bracket. And if not, then write we have to write else condition, remove plus plus, remove plus plus, removal I need to remove, okay, because it will we not get match with closing bracket, that's why we are uh, increasing remove by 1, okay. So after that I need to write here removal is equal to removal plus open, okay. And then I need to write here south the total, the total uh, removal I need to perform perform to make string, to make a string valence valence is removal, okay. And then sc dot close. Now I am going to run the program. You will see it is saying enter string to count with to count to count number of removal I need to perform to make string balance. So I need to here enter, okay, done. The total removal I need to perform to make string balance is 0 because it is already balanced, okay. Now I'm going to enter another string also. I'm going to enter this one, control C and control V. I will paste in here. See, the total number of removal I need to perform to make string balance is 3 because it this is the unnecessary character, okay. And now I'm going to enter another string also. My code is running perfectly, okay. Now I'm going to enter this one, control C and control V. See, the total number of removal I need to perform 1. Now I'm entering this one, it is already balanced, yeah. So we did, did not need to control V to remove any extra, to remove any character of the string, okay. So that's all for execution of the program. Now I'm going to explain, I'm going to write a comment so that you can understand each things, okay. And this is the scanner class for taking user input, you already know. And this is the what number of removal string, it is the file name where code is going to save, okay. This is the main method we must have to write to run our program, okay. And this is the object of the scanner class, you have to make object to take any input, okay. And this is the uh, output statement, okay. And this is the variable by which we are going to take a string, and this is the variable 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 to count, open parenthesis, okay, and variable to count total number of removal, okay, and this is the for loop for for traversing each character of the given string, okay, given string, and this is the ch is the current current character, okay, we are counting, checking the current character open, or checking the current character when it is open, when it is when it is open, increasing count by one, okay, control x, I'm doing right, control x, and it should be here, control v, and here, okay, done. Hmm. If current character is closing bracket, closing bracket, closing bracket, then first check any open bracket is there, then means it is yes. If it's yes, means we found match of character, okay, otherwise character. If it's yes, means we found match of character, then reduce open by 1, okay. If not get any by 1, otherwise if not get any open bracket, open parenthesis, okay, parenthesis, then increase the removal by 1. The count of increase parenthesis then increase count of removal by 1. Okay, and if any left string is there, then it is also need, then we need to remove that also. Okay, then so that so that so that we are adding open with the removal. Okay, and then in last we are just printing this one, displaying playing the total 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 number of count is the for free of the scanner class. Okay, now it's done. I have enough explained, and I have enough right comment so that you can understand each things in one go only. Okay, and thank you everyone. Have a nice day, and if you are facing any issue, then just comment it, and in order to understanding this code. Okay, and then just comment it. I will take care of that, and I will explain it if you are facing any issue in the last. Okay, thank you, bye, have a nice day, and just be with me. I am making the series of DSA for each topic of the DSA in Java, uh, whether it's basic or advanced, or basic question or advanced question, interview question or college examination, every type of DSA problem and DSA topic. Okay, I'm going to make a video on that. Thank you, bye, have a nice day.